Easy pasta bake starts with olive oil, rosemary, some of this, a whole bunch of these, and I mean a whole bunch. I love them. This. I'm going to use fresh too. When I have this in here, I just sort of like to give it a good mix around so you don't get any hunks or chunks of just one solid seasoning. Mix it in the dish. This is one pan. Mix it up nice. Dump in a whole 16 ounces of rigatoni. Don't cook it. I'm going to spread this all over, and I want to coat it with olive oil and seasoning. Really, really work it up. Don't skip this part. And set this for 400. We're gonna add both of these. One of the things I love most about these, besides how good they taste, you don't have to cut anything up. Dump it all in your one baking dish. I don't know how big that is. 13 by 9, maybe? You can put more or less cheese in depending on what you do. But now these are our garden tomatoes. I've been baking these down for 2 days in the crock pot. So I'm just gonna take off some of the sauce. If I get a little tomato skin in there, that's okay. There's some onions and peppers in here too. I'm gonna cover this whole thing with my cooked down tomatoes. And if you don't like the skins, take them out. Morton and I love them. So we want to cover the pasta all the way. Now let's put it in the oven. Oh my goodness. I got busy and I didn't come stir it, but I think it's okay. Okay, my favorite part is mixing this stuff up, but I need 2 hands to do it. Okay, I let it in too long, but I think it's gonna be okay. I really do. It smells really good. They don't feel mushy. It's still delicious. Let's see what Morton thinks. Honey, I pushed the wrong button and get your reaction. How do you like it?
It's excellent. It's really tangy and cheesy.
I gotta learn how to use my phone. You cleaned your plate.
Mm-hmm.